Today, I'm going to show you how to edit 3-layer video using the VN Video Editor app. This is a great way to create dynamic content with overlays, effects, and more. First, make sure you have the VN Video Editor app installed. After that, choose your first video that you want to make your project of. Now, what you need to do is, as you can see here at the top, you can find the original button. Tap on it and make 9:16, that is the TikTok's grid or layout. Now what you need to do is tap on your video and simply pinch it and put it over here or wherever you like, and simply go to background and choose on color and choose your preferable color. Now the next step is to now import the second video here. Now again, simply pinch it and put it at the preferred side. Now for the third video, put it in the same way. Next video, and simply you can put it over here. Simply adjust to your liking, and that is how you can simply layer 3 videos in one video in VN Video Editor. Now when you're ready, simply click on save, and that's it. You've successfully edited a 3-layer video using the VN Video Editor app.